I see bubbles. I don't think I hit anything. Oh, and there it goes, down that way. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was my stomach that started growling. I'm hungry. How much time do I have left? 59 and 36 minutes. Caught something. Oh, I'm just stuck on a rock, probably. Huh. I see some ducks in the horizon, or above, or right in front of us, or in front of me right now. And there's a crane on the other side. Very interesting. And I see bubbles. Feel like I'm stuck on something. That got let loose. I got, I think, a nut or a bolt. Nut. Cool. God, that's a hard one to get off. Nice. Very nice. I got multiple nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Five. I dropped it. Five nails. No, wait. 5.5. 5.5 nails. Interesting. That's good. think I'll head over here. Drag it over here. I'm just feeling like it's hitting rocks and stuff. I think I'm in mud now. Oh yeah, I'm definitely in mud. Great. Wait, I got something. I see bubbles. It's a heavy one. And I think I lost it. Slow wins the race, right? I think that's what it's called. Slow wins the race. Fast always gets you in trouble or something. This one's a heavy one. I'm in heavy mud, my God. Oh my God. I'm burning up over here. Sheesh. Oh my God. It feels like I'm pulling up an ankle or something. What was that about? All I heard was, "Get over." Was the guy talking to me or someone else? Probably the vehicle or something. But, like, sheesh. Oh my God. Look, buddy, if you're gonna ask me to move over, I'm just gonna be in the water if I move any closer. Oh, I see minnows. A good school of them. Why is this thing so heavy? Oh my God, my arms are gonna be aching with my back. Oh my God. Sheesh. I hate the mud. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Oh my God. I think I'm also stuck on fishing a line too. I have to be on fishing line or fishing lures or whatever. Besides the mud and everything else. Oh my God. Oh God. What is this? Oh my God. What in the world is that a jack? No way. Am I getting this on camera? I better be. Yep, I'm definitely getting this on camera.